Welcome guys to another tutorial. I'll be showing you how to edit checks with your Paint app on your Windows PC. So basically just follow the instructions you see on the screen. Okay, so you'll be mostly using the select, the paste tool. Okay, so just watch closely so you understand how to go about editing your checks. Okay, there are other options you can use to edit checks, but I'm just showing you how to do it quite fast with Paint, which is available on all Windows computer, Windows PC. By the way, guys, I want you guys to go follow Hustlers Update on TikTok. Follow me on Instagram, so you can send me messages if you have any questions about anything whatsoever. I have legit tools. I offer assistance in any way you want. Okay, so back to check editing. As you can see what I'm doing, you can see how I am editing the check. You can see how I'm able to basically do it very well. So basically, if you want to learn how to edit your checks privately or anything else, basically message me on Instagram, message me on TikTok at Hustlers Updates. Okay, all of the links are on my YouTube. Okay, follow Hustlers Updates on Instagram, follow Hustlers Update on TikTok. Okay, let's make this hustle benefit everyone around the world. Okay, so this is how you edit your checks basically. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel. Okay, so you will be notified when I drop new videos, and be sure to turn on your notification. Be sure to turn on the notification bell on your account so you get notified when I drop new updates. Okay, so this is how you edit checks using Paint. Okay, and basically using the select and paste tool. It's quite easy, but if you didn't understand well, you can always message me privately, and I can teach you how to do it over any desk Zoom. Okay,